In this GlowShift gauges installation video, we'll show you how to install a GlowShift direct replacement dashboard cluster pod into your 73 to 87 C10 truck. Start by removing the screws securing the factory cluster with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws have been removed, remove the factory cluster. You'll need to cut a hole in the new cluster for the 1973 to 1980 headlight and wiper switches, or the 1981 to 1987 headlight switch. Please select the correct template included with the instructions for your year range and use it as a guide to cut the holes. As another option, you can measure and mark the location. Start by measuring the distance to the center of the hole in the factory cluster. Then, using tape and a marker, mark out the same distance on the new cluster. Once the location has been marked, drill a hole using a 1 3/8" hole saw. If your particular truck does not come with AC vents, install the lower block-off plate and secure it using the included screws. Then, install the included AC vent block-off plate and secure it using the included screws. If your truck does come with AC vents, remove the AC duct from the factory cluster and install it into the new cluster using the included screws. Install each gauge into the pod using the mounting brackets, washers, and nuts. Be sure not to over-tighten the nuts as it'll damage the gauges. Once all of the gauges have been installed, insert the wiring harness into each designated gauge. Remove the factory gauges from the dash. Feed the opposite end of the wiring harness down through the dash and insert the new cluster into the dash. Secure it using the factory screws. You've now successfully installed your GlowShift Direct Replacement Dashboard Cluster Pod into your 73 to 87 C10 truck. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, please contact us at 1-888-GS-GAGE, and we'll see you on the road.